Welcome to Japan, where ancient traditions and modernity coexist in harmony. Picture bustling cities illuminated by neon, where skyscrapers dwarf ancient temples. In 2024, Japan welcomed 36.87 million visitors, drawn to its cultural richness and technological prowess. Join us as we explore Japan's top 10 destinations. Our adventure begins in Tokyo, where the ancient and avant-garde collide. In the heart of the city lies the historic Asakusa district and the magnificent Sensoji Temple. Tokyo is also a city of the future, evident in Akihabara's neon lights and gaming technology. As dusk falls, Shinjuku awakens, showcasing the city's legendary nightlife. We journey to Kyoto, the ancient capital, steeped in history and tradition. The iconic Fushimi Inari Taisha Shrine, with its vibrant vermilion torii gates, winds up the mountainside. We wander through the tranquil Arashiyama bamboo grove, sunlight filtering through towering stalks. In Gion, the historic geisha district, we witness a traditional tea ceremony. Our journey takes us to Mount Fuji, Japan's highest and most iconic peak. During summer, climbers ascend to the summit, their silhouettes tiny against the vast sky. The Fuji Five Lakes region offers breathtaking views of the mountain reflected in still waters. Here, surrounded by nature's grandeur, we find peace and tranquility. We travel to Hiroshima, a city etched in history. At the Peace Memorial Park and Museum, we witness the atomic bomb's devastating power. The Genbaku Dome stands as a stark reminder of war's horrors. Yet, from tragedy's ashes, Hiroshima has risen, a testament to human resilience. Our next stop is Nara, a city blending history, culture, and nature. We stand in awe before the Tadaiji Temple, home to the great Buddha statue. We wander through Nara Park, where friendly deer roam freely, approaching visitors with curiosity. The sight of these graceful creatures coexisting with humans is a testament to the city's charm. Next, we venture to Osaka, renowned for its culinary delights and vibrant street food scene. We marvel at the imposing Osaka Castle and its intricate architecture. We explore the bustling Dotonbori area, illuminated by neon signs. As we ascend the Umeda Sky Building, we're treated to panoramic views of this metropolis. Our journey takes us to Hokkaido, Japan's northernmost island, a land of dramatic contrasts. In winter, Hokkaido transforms into a wonderland, attracting skiers and snowboarders worldwide. Niseko, with its legendary powder snow, is a mecca for winter sports enthusiasts, but summer in Hokkaido reveals a different magic, with fields of lavender blooming in Furano. Our next destination is Okinawa, a chain of islands known for their subtropical climate and pristine beaches. We explore the crystal-clear waters of the Pacific, discovering vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. Snorkeling and diving enthusiasts will be amazed by the diverse species in these waters. On land, we delve into the unique Ryukyu culture, distinct from mainland Japan, with its own language, traditions, and cuisine. Our journey continues to Hakone, a mountain resort town renowned for its natural beauty and stunning views of Mount Fuji. We embark on a scenic boat ride across Lake Ashi, the iconic peak reflected in its serene waters. The Hakone Open Air Museum offers a unique blend of art and nature, with contemporary sculptures set against the mountains. This picturesque setting has inspired artists and poets. Our final destination is Nikko, a city in the mountains north of Tokyo, renowned for its natural splendor and shrines. The Toshogu Shrine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, but Nikko's beauty extends beyond man-made wonders. We stand in awe before Kigen Falls, one of Japan's most beautiful waterfalls. As our journey through Japan ends, we're left with awe and wonder. From Tokyo's bustling streets to Kyoto's serene temples, Japan offers unique experiences. Whether seeking cultural immersion, culinary adventures, or nature, Japan has it all. Explore these captivating destinations and uncover Japan's wonders.